Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a text banner to your Weebly site. This is a simple yet powerful way to display important messages, announcements, or headlines that grab your visitors' attention right away. Let's jump into it. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Website and click on it. This section houses all the sites you've created or have access to edit. Under the website section, you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. If you manage multiple websites, you'll now see a list of all your sites. Choose the specific website you want to work on by clicking on it. Once selected, look to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click this button to enter the site editor where you can start making changes. Now you're inside the Weebly editor. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a menu bar. Make sure you're in the Build section. This is where all the design and content tools live, allowing you to construct and customize your site's layout and elements. Focus your attention on the left side panel. Here you'll see various options under the Build section, and these are the tools that help you add different elements to your site. Scroll through the options until you locate the one labeled text. This is the element we'll use to create your text banner. Simply click on the text element and drag it to wherever you want it to appear on your page. You can place it at the top for a header banner, in the middle for a featured announcement, or anywhere else that suits your design. Once you've dropped the text element into position, you'll see a text box appear on your page. Click inside this box and you can start typing your message. This is where you input whatever text you want your banner to display, whether it's a welcome message, a promotion, or any important information you want visitors to see immediately. Customize the text as needed, and you can even format it using the toolbar that appears. When you're finished typing and editing, simply click outside the text box. Weebly automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to worry about manually saving your work. Your text banner is now live on your site and ready to communicate with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.